y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my mama's cooked to death green beans. Now there is already a recipe on my blog for mama's cooked to death green beans, but you see, they were a recipe that I dedicated to my mama. I made them with fresh green beans and I cooked them to death because mama always says that's the way she likes her green beans, cooked to death. Well, I published it, and then I got a letter from my mama in the mail a couple days later. Now, mind you, my mama lives 15 minutes away. She wrote me a sweet little letter. Goes, well, honey, I appreciate you dedicating that recipe to me. That is not how I make my green beans. And so she sent me her recipe for her green beans. And that's what I'm going to show you how to make today. Mama's real cooked-to-death green beans. I'm going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of butter to my pot and 1 onion that's been chopped. I'm going to season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to let this sweat it out for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add in a few slices of bacon that have been chopped into roughly 1-inch pieces. Now I'm going to add 1 large can of Hanover green beans. It is a 50-ounce container, and yes, it's got to be Hanover because that's what Mama wrote on the recipe. I'm going to put the lid on my pot and let this simmer for about 1.5 hours.